Guys, welcome to She Code. So, in our top 100 code series, our next problem is for highest common factor. The highest common factor is the largest number of both the numbers. Okay, so if we take two numbers and if we check their factors, then the highest number is the highest common factor. For example, if I take two numbers 10 and 20. Okay, so the factors of 10 and 20 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. So 1, 2, 5 and 10 are the common factors of 10 and 20, and the highest number is 10. So 10 is the highest common factor. So let's jump to our code. Okay, so now as I said, we have to check the highest common factor between two numbers. So let's take a num1 whose initial value I'm taking input from user. So scan.next int. Now I'm taking another integer num2, which is our number 2. Now I have also created a separate video of how to calculate factors, whose link has been given in the description box, as well as you can find the video from the top right corner. Now we have to calculate factors, but here we have to calculate factors of both the numbers. So for that I am using a for loop. For loop will run until the initial value of I will be 1. Okay, and it will run till I less than equal to num1. Okay, we have to calculate factors of both the numbers. So num1 I plus plus. Fine. Now after using this for loop, I am taking a if condition. If num1 divided by I is equal to 0 and num2 divided by equal to 0, then that number I is factor of both the numbers. Okay, so I am taking another variable int HCF whose initial value is 0. So if this condition is true, then HCF is equal to I. Okay, so we will print a highest common factor. HCF is HCF. Okay, let's run the code. If I enter 10 and 20, then HCF is 10. Okay, now if I enter 12 and 36, then HCF is 12. Okay, if I enter 16 and suppose 72, then HCF is 8. Okay, so this is how you can calculate the highest common factor. Thank you.